How to program in Visual C++ using if-else statement. Please click the Start button on the lower left part of your screen. Select Visual C++. Then, close this window. Click the File menu on the upper left of your browser, then select New. Then, a smaller window will appear. From there, select the File tabs. Then, select C++ source file. Then OK. Then, you can start your program by typing your code. To start the program by using if-else statement, you should type this. To have an output of an even number, whenever you type an even number, type this also. To have an output of an odd number, wherever you type an odd number, type this. Then, to end programming process, type this. Then, save the program. Type your own file name. Don't forget to type the .cpp. Then save it. Then, click the Build menu from the upper side of your Windows and choose Compile. After compiling your program, you can run now your program. Run your program by using Ctrl F5.